In this video, I'm going to show you an 11 Labs tutorial for 2026, skipping the basic text-to-speech features and focusing on workflows that can actually turn AI voice technology into a business opportunity. First, open the 11 Labs and then go to the voices from the left sidebar. So instead of simply choosing a voice for your own videos, explore the voice library and look for the voices that fit commercial content such as advertisement, YouTube narrations, e-learning, or social media. Now, go to the text to speech from the left sidebar and then choose your voice. Once you select a voice, click this modal and select your preferred modal. After that, generate a short sample by clicking this generate speech button.
Don't even start with that techno voodoo nonsense. Hey, give me that lighter. You know I've been yelling at my toaster since 92. And now, you're telling me voices come out of thin air sounding like people I used to date? I tried that TTS thing from 11 Labs, and I swear, it sounded like Jessica from Bingo Night. Scared the hell out of me.
The goal here isn't just to make an AI voiceover, is it to create something you can deliver as a finished service. For example, you could offer AI voiceover services to YouTubers, businesses, course creators, or agencies, and then take a client script, generate several versions with different pacing or delivery, and then provide a final audio file as part of your service. Another opportunity is voice cloning. Now, go back to the voices again and then click this create voice button. So if a client wants their own voice used consistently across videos, they can provide the required recordings and create a professional voice clone. You can then use that authorized voice for their content instead of relying on a generic AI voice. You can also use 11 Labs agents to build AI powered customer service or appointment booking experiences. Now open the 11 agents. Create an agent by clicking this plus button and define its instructions. You can connect it to a knowledge base and add the tools it needs to perform a specific task. So the important part is to stop thinking of 11 Labs as just a voice generator. And that's it. That's how you use 11 Labs in 2026 for more than basics voiceovers and focus on workflows that can actually make money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.